Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's take a look what is going on currently on the euro currency. Well, we see that on the daily time frame, market still has shown and now is in progress of some retracement to the downside. Although that was the attempt to pass through the weekly pivot resistance ones, 132.62 area, but market hasn't quite reached the 100% extension target, just for I suppose some 40 pips slightly higher, and has formed this huge shooting star pattern. Well, the nature of the shooting star pattern is almost the same as the bearish engulfing, or probably it's better to say dark cloud cover, mostly because this pattern has some small body right at the bottom. It's right here. Hence, the minimum target of this pattern usually is the same as the length of the candle. As you can see, that's approximately right to the 130-137 area. It's right here. So, based on this pattern, market probably should retracing the previous tops. This area of resistance that stands around 131.25 to the 131.70 area. It's right here. It's a bit wide area on the intraday charts, but on the daily time frame you see that it's not very wide. So that is previous resistance. Now it could become the support. And if we will count the length of the shooting star to the downside, we will get approximately this area. That's the first observation that we could make on daily time frame. Trend still holds bullish here. Well, this retracement probably, we can't call it that is unreasonable totally. But one thing that is a bit worrying me is that market stands very close to the target, and showing such retracement right now to the, for instance, 131.30 area will not be so deep retracement for reaching the 100%. Only if this will be, for instance, 3 drive pattern with the hitting on the 100% extension of this ABCD. That is the first drive. This could become beg your pardon. This could become the second, with the targets right around 100%. Let's check this. I just have missed this moment when I prepared this research. Just a minute. I will shift to the. So I have measured that current top stands precisely at 1618 of that level, as you can see. So we will see this detail on the 4-hour time frame. But what if we will suggest the accomplishment of the target from the shooting star? So it will be somewhere in this area. I just add new level. Okay, what we get? No, it's a bit stands too far. It's a bit too extended, so retracement should be somewhere to that area. No, this is generally should be shell retracement at all, so that probably will not be the 3 drive pattern at all. But anyway, based on this pattern, we could say that retracement could take place right to the previous tops area. It's around 131.40, somewhere in this area. Well, on the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? Here's how retracement has started, although we have expected that it probably will start in this area, but this hasn't happened. Market has shown another splash to the upside and now has formed this excellent engulfing pattern with the downward direction. So you can see, as I said, this top stands precisely at the 618 extension of that swing. So theoretically, if we'll take a look at the contracted chart of the 4-hour time frame, so contracted, you probably could tell us that, well, this could be, for instance, some huge head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, market will proceed lower, will form the right shoulder, and probably could continue to the downside. Well, theoretically that is possible, but in general, if we'll take a look at the overall picture, forming head and shoulders right here, well, probably that will be some sort of the failure breakout. I prefer to see the head and shoulders right at the significant upward direction right at top, but here we have some long-term consolidation to the left side of this pattern. But by shape, this could be if market in fact has shown us the failure breakout to the upside. And as we discussed on the previous week and yesterday, nobody cancels the potential for failure breakout for the Russian rings of the previous highs, because market currently looks not quite stable. Now retracement has started, and where it will lead us, who knows. If market will return right back inside of this consolidation and will show some deeper retracement to the downside, this probably could lead to the failure breakout and some medium-term reversal on the euro currency. We need that market holds above the previous swing high, about the 131.40, 131.70 area, just to be sure that we could count on some further upward continuation. And on the 4-hour time frame, what we see? Here's the confluence support area that we have discussed yesterday, and the previous swings, the previous top. As you can see, it's a nice area to watch for. So if retracement will stop in this area, that could just mean the retesting of the previous broken highs, and market could continue move to the upside. But take a look at the harmonic swings. If we will count the previous retracement that was here, right to this area, we will see that market should retest the weekly pivot, should test the weekly pivot point right around 130.74. It's right here. So the retracement could be a bit deeper based on the harmonic swings. So how it will turn? Very difficult to say. Well, one thing that I do know that I prefer to see that market holds above this area because of the moments that we have just discussed. Any move below it will force me to wait some more signs, some more patterns from the market that could clarify the further price action. I need, in this case, more confirmation from the market, either of its bullishness or its bearishness. So if market will retest this area and returns right back above this area to the upside, well, probably this will be the bullish sign with a bit deeper retracement than perfect one. But if market will hold there and continue with the downside, well, that probably will makes me think that this hardly will be the upward continuation in the nearest term. That's why this retracement is very significant and important. And the current level to watch for is the potential destination of this retracement, since this is the most strong support area around the current price action, and that is also the target of the shooting star on the daily time frame. That's why this 131.40 area is very significant, and market probably will show the bounce at least at the first touch of this area. What we see on the hourly time frame? On the hourly time frame, well, in fact, I see nothing except maybe this parallel channel to the upside, and market has broken into the downside already. Here we could try to apply the Thomas DeMark way of target projection when the market shows the breakout of some trend line. DeMark says that since market very often accelerates above the trend line, and if it will break it to the downside, the reaction is usually equals to the contra reaction. So you could calculate the acceleration above the trend line, this length, and count it to the downside from the breakout point. In this case, we will get 131.23, 121.25 area as the potential minimum target. So that is the minimum target that market should reach after breakout. 131.20 area stands right around this previous swing high. So that is also approximately the same area to watch for. That's why I suppose within the current day and till the end of this week, probably we should be focused on this area. It's the potential retracement. This acceleration was really significant. Well, hardly market will turn right to the upside from this area. Well, one thing again, just a bit worrying, is that the reversal has happened just 4 pips below the 100% extension target. That's not very often you could see on the market. Market could show some traps for the traders with the shallow reversals below some significant target, but later usually it should reach it. But here we see really significant move to the downside. It's a bit extended move prior of reaching of this target. That's a bit a sign that complicates overall analysis currently. Well, that's all in fact that I could say currently on the euro currency. Has been said, the retracement probably will continue because different patterns tell us about the potential destination point around 131.25, 131.40 area, and that is as well the strong area of support. That is as well the crucial area for euro. If it will hold above it, then probably we could count on the upward continuation. If not, then the head and shoulders that we have discussed could become the reality.